What's up guys, this is Michael and welcome to Naked Crypto. And today is September 21, 2021 and we are on the 27th, which is fear. Yesterday we were just neutral and last month we are extreme greed. Extreme greed, usually that is the best time to sell. So if we do have a extreme fear, so probably it would be the best time to buy. As Warren Buffett said, be fearful when others are greedy. Be greedy when others are fearful. Okay, now CoinGecko today, within 24 hours, Bitcoin is not doing sideways right now. And Ethereum is small drop, 2.5% down. Cardano is just 1.5% down. And Binance Coin is 2.9% down. So not much today, it's just doing sideways. Solana is 9.6% down. Actually, we are waiting for Solana to go down. So Doge is 1.4% up. So it's just doing sideways right now. Yesterday we have a big drop because of the China Evergrande company. They say it's like the Lehman Brothers of China. So I think they're closing their doors. They're closing the company. So yeah, Chainlink is just 5.9% down. Cosmos is 6.7% up. So not much today, guys. Okay, let's go to top gainers of the week. Oh, Avalanche, guys. If you watch my videos last week, this one of my pick Avalanche. Now still 63% up. And yeah, Osmo Cosmos, Elron, Sushi. Top losers of the week, we have Solana, 25.7% down. Yes, we're waiting for Solana to go down actually, guys. Phantom, Harmony One, IOST, Algorand. Whoa, crypto bubbles. Red today, guys, is just AVAX, Cello, and OMG are green, and the rest are down today. How come is the Dogecoin is up there, but here is 11.6% down? So I don't know, guys. Anyway, this one, guys, what are the most bullish and bearish months of Bitcoin? A seasonality case study. Every day, if you check my videos back since May, I always mention this, that June would be a red month, and it did. July, August, I mentioned there, July, August would be a green month, and it happened. And right now, it's September, and we might see September would be a red candle for the whole month. But don't worry about it. October, November, December would be a green month, so just be patient, okay, guys? We're almost October anyway, guys, so just be patient. But today, let's see if we are having a market crash. So overall world market crash. So let's see. Before we go to the chart, if you can like and share my videos, that would be appreciated. Subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss my updates. Okay, Bitcoin. We are still on this megaphone pattern. I always mention this. And guys, 3 weeks ago I made a video of Bitcoin Ethereum crashing. So this one I actually made a thumbnail about it. So the Bitcoin about to crash. And this one, guys, this was my count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I draw this one, ABC. We're going for correction. This video was made September 9. This was my price prediction. We are here now, guys. Let's go to the 4-hour chart so you can see it well. And here we go, guys, now. We see now the ABC correction. So let's see if the price will still go down at 38,000. So our Elliottewave, guys, our count is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have now the ABC correction, ABC. So after that, we might see our bullish scenario now is we're going to have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside. So our bearish scenario, though, we might still see the price go down here at 23,000 because of this megaphone pattern. And I posted this one here on my trading view. You can follow my trades here at Trading Like Magic. So this one, Bitcoin on the weekly, we might see the price do something like this. So right now it already dropped here. So let's see if the price will drop somewhere here at the 30,000 level. Let's see if this pattern will play it out. Right now we're already here, and let's see. Let's see, guys. So guys, yesterday's videos from other YouTubers, they mentioned that there's a possibility of we're having a market crash for the stocks and the cryptocurrency. And let's see Nasdaq index. So Nasdaq, I see it's on a ascending channel, so we're still on the support of this ascending channel. We might still see the price go up, but unfortunately, if the price break on this trend line here, we might see a market crash. Yeah, similar to S&P, price still holding on this resistance here or trend line here. So Dow Jones, similar, still holding on this trend line here. Gold is on a bullish flag. We have a kopen handle here. It's forming a handle right now, so we might see the price to go up. Yeah, gold is more of a safe haven, guys. If the stock market drops, and the gold is usually go up. And the US dollar currency index, the dollar index price broke on this trend line, and we have a support here. Could be a bullish for the dollar, so but this is in weekly, guys, so it would be slow. So Ethereum, we might see the price go down here at 0.618, which is 2,600, and price will go up. So this is just my personal opinion, guys. Everything, the price of altcoins, it will depend on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin drops, most altcoins follows because they are correlated to each other. So guys, just be careful, guys. But if you're doing dollar cost averaging, that's great. If you find this video valuable, please smash that like button, share to your friends, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you won't miss my updates. Okay guys, see you tomorrow. I love you. Bye bye.